this program for a breaking news story. A huge storm is blowing in with high winds and it will be raining balls.
Balls?
That's right, balls.
It's going to rain balls?
Yes, you heard it right. It will be raining balls.
I don't believe it.
You better believe it. So get your raincoat and umbrella ready.
Dad,
What?
it's raining balls.
It's raining balls?
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
Look.
Let's go take a look. Let's see if we can find your raincoat. Where are all our dishes? What about in here?
Yeah. Whoa.
Where are the dishes? Let's see if your raincoat's in here. No raincoat, just balls.
Balls in the drawer.
What happened to all of our pots and pans? Let's see if your raincoat's in here. But there's balls in the sink. I wonder what's in here.
What? Wow.
All right, let's go find that raincoat now.
Can't find my raincoat.
You think it's in there?
Maybe. Here's my raincoat. Oh no.
It's time for us to pick up all these balls.
No!